Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Tech Heaven. I am Hashad, and here we provide practical tips to master technology skills through easy tutorial on software and apps, helping you succeed at work and school. CyberGhost, it's user-friendly and has a strong privacy policy, making it excellent for streaming and torrenting. However, speeds can be inconsistent across servers. CyberGhost, open site, get, continue, credit card, subscribe, login, username, password, login, download, open site to download, download VPN, file downloaded, open file, accept, yes, close, install. CyberGhost, login, username, password. Another way to download the file, download hub, download VPN. Open, agree. You have 24 hours free. Favorite, all service, stay protected, for game, for torrent, for streaming. Privacy, smart rules, Wi-Fi, setting, general, CyberGhost VPN, close, close. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it to empower your friends in mastering their tech skills. Subscribe for more tutorial, hit the bell icon for updates, and drop down comment with your thoughts. Check out more of our content here and see you in the next one.